Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2011 Mazda 3 stock number 7346. It's ran from the 6th 2006 to the 10th 2013. There's an LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is an LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight. Left front 16-inch factory automatic tyre. Left rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand tail light, rear tailgate, it's peeling, right rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door crown, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.